First behind the scenes on any video I've ever done, and it's Nerf Gone Real, and I'm pretty excited to show you the scenes, not much, but still, and the funny voice that sounds like from another country, that is my student that helps us film sometimes. Heads up to him, and when he leaves, hopefully we can give him a hand. Anyway, enjoy the behind the scenes.
No, yeah.
Action?
Oh, yeah, action.
Okay. Yeah. Watch this.
Action.
Yeah. Just slam it back in. Pretend. Keep shooting it.
Okay, action.
No, I'm gonna get on straight. Sorry.
Action.
Yet again.
I think I didn't catch you. Action. Nice. Action.
Whoa. You can't kill me. I'm the boss. Oh god. I'm scared. I need an airstrike now! Quick, man! Hurry up! No, now! Not, okay, the big guy over... No! Hey, there is no other big guy around here. God! Okay, where'd you go? I already jumped. Wait. Okay, let's just redo that. Don't you know? No, the other big guy. No, wait. Just don't go. Action. I'm the boss.
Action.
Oh. Yeah. Oh god, that was half. Nuke. Yeah. Okay. Am I done? Watch. Oh. Okay. Stampede guy. Alrighty. Yeah, it's getting dark. I better be quick. Alrighty. 20 minutes. Scene set. Wait, what? I'm sorry, I know.